Hello everybody, how's everyone doing today? Welcome, my name is Thomas and I will conduct the following webinar for you. I'm an analyst and a trader with OLYMP Trade and have been with the company for the last 7 years. Well, basically from the start of the company. So OLYMP Trade celebrated 7 years this September with a fantastic tournament where a huge number of prizes was given away and many emotions were also given away. And yeah, the company has been around for 7 years, providing access to the financial markets. And we have three modes of trading, which are fixed time trades, forex trades, and stock PT, which is basically investing in stocks long term. So today I would like to answer your questions, to show you some interesting setups on the markets, and I will also teach you, or I will try to teach you some a trading strategy. I don't know which one it's gonna be. We will decide as we go. We have multiple beautiful strategies. We have, to be exact, we have 15 FTT strategies and we have 12 forex strategies. But of course, the total number of strategies is of course not limited by what we have on the on the platform. Of course, you can make up your own trading strategies, you can combine, you can adjust, so everything is completely adjustable, everything is pretty much customizable. So the more you trade, the more you learn how everything works on the markets, and the better your trading results become. All right, guys. Today I want to give you something today special, something simple. All right, because previously we talked about a strategy called I think we talked about Safari, Kind Martin, and diving, which are, in my opinion, quite easy to use strategies and easy to understand strategies, but yet they are based upon two, three, maybe sometimes even four indicators. So that's what makes them a little bit more complicated, a little bit more complex for understanding. But today I wanna do something very, very simple, and today's strategy is going to be Excel strategy. So it belongs to the advanced strategies group. It only has one indicator in it, and all the setups are based by the 14 momentum indicator. So by the momentum indicator with a period of 14 and also 9. So okay, 9 is this simple moving average for the 14 momentum. Okay, never mind. It's a little hard to explain these things in the indicators, but instead I will focus on the signals, on trading signals, and I will show you how you can analyze the charts and what the signals are with these strategies. Yeah, guys, I'm very like. Let me apologize for not conducting the marathon webinars. I know you're waiting for them, and we will definitely return them in the future. But as of now, unfortunately, probably, yeah, this month there will be no. So I'm pretty sure that in November we will try to do something. All right, guys. So how does this strategy work? This strategy works quite easy. And so we have this indicator called momentum, and basically there are two setups with this indicator. Setup number one is when this orange line crosses the 100 line. So basically we only have one line in this indicator. This is the 100 line, and when the orange line crosses this line from bottom upwards, like kind of here, this is the moment for opening trades in the upwards direction, and vice versa. When the crossing happens from top to bottom, then it's the moment for down trades. Also, we have the blue line and the orange line, and when the blue line crosses the orange line, that is also the moment when you want to open and trade in the downwards direction or in the upwards. So depending from which side the crossing happens. Okay, let me find some a few more examples. All right, so I think we are about to, okay, almost didn't cross, but almost. Right. Yes, Gbp USD. So Gbp USD, the orange line, the momentum 9 line, which is the simple moving average from this blue line, basically from the momentum itself. So yes, this is the signal for a down trade because it crosses the 100 line from top to bottom, so downwards. So we follow the trend of the momentum indicator, and if the current trend on the momentum indicator is in the downwards direction, then we basically open a trade in the downwards direction. It's just as simple as that. Right. Or yes, one more interesting setup, another different setup is when exactly here, when the blue line crosses the orange line. So that's when you want to open a trade in the downwards direction as well. Now let's have a look at my trades. I think I have a little bit too many open trades right now, so I should get a notification. So EuroCAD was my that was my first trade, I guess. And so it should close in the money, should close with profit. Right. So sometimes we might see a situation when we have a little bit too many crossings. So we have one, two, kind of three, four signals which happen within a very short period of time. So maybe sometimes it's better to skip this signal because there are just too many signals, and this shows that the quality of the signal is quite poor. So ideally, you wouldn't want to have too many crossings, too many intersections too often. So you would want them to happen yes, like once every like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So if it happens more often than that, then that's usually a sign of a poor quality signal. So it's just there are just too many signals. One goes up, one says up, one says down. So maybe it's better to keep that one. Okay, so I have too many trades on gold. Come on. Another possible trade is on the Euro USD chart. So the orange line is nearing the 100 line from top to bottom. So we can definitely see this downwards move currently happening. So let's see, 4 seconds to go on this candlestick. Let's see what the next candlestick shows. Okay, so it's still not there, but it's definitely nearing the 100 line. So let's pay attention to it. And EuroCAD, I think we're about to observe a very nice signal for down trade as well. All right, and a beautiful signal on gold for an for an upwards trade, because the blue line has just crossed the orange line. So basically crosses right now, and that's the moment when you want to open a trade in the upwards direction. So you can see that there are quite many signals currently, which is always nice. It's better to have many signals than no signals. So 8 seconds to go on this candlestick, and I'm pretty sure that yes, we're almost there. So 2 seconds. Oh wow, haha! Look at this. So now we have an upwards, a signal pointing upwards. Okay, so I'm not trying to guess. I'm not trying to anticipate what will happen. I just follow the signal from the strategy, and the signal currently is in the upwards direction. So you wanna follow the signals from the strategy. So if you pick some strategy, you would want to follow this strategy like closely. So don't try to kind of overthink it. Don't try to, for example, try to guess whether this particular trade is going to be will turn positive or negative. Instead, just look for the signal, and if the signal is there, so just open the trade. Just like here, out JPY, so AUD JPY, a trade in the upwards direction. So I had 1, 2, so 2 winning trades and 2 losing trades so far. All right. So gold. So this is quite a contradictory situation. I don't know. Looks like we have too many signals at the same time, so let's skip it. But yeah, this one. Let's try again. Okay, no goals. Okay. Gbp NZD. So the blue line crosses the orange line from top to bottom, so downwards. Once again, just look for the direction of crossing. So if it happens downwards, then open a trade downwards. So the momentum indicator is a trending indicator, and it basically shows the trend. So basically, the momentum indicator, it takes the current price and it compares it with the price n periods ago. In our case, in our example, it is 14 periods ago, or 14 candlesticks ago. So we take the current quote and we divide it by the quote which was there for 14 candlesticks ago, 14 periods ago. And yeah. Oh wow, that was also almost a winning trade. And in the last, it's gonna be a miracle. No, so no miracle here, guys. And let's try and open a trade in the downwards direction now, because we have the next signal. So sometimes with this or any other strategy, you might have many signals, and if they are legit signals, then I'd say that it's better to follow these signals. So why skip them? So if the signal is there, then let's just open it. Why did I open trade upwards? Yeah, the signal was there. That's correct. I don't regret it. The signal is there, or was there 3 minutes ago. That's why I opened the trade in the upwards direction, even though this seems to be a losing trade. But I follow the strategy. That's my mantra that I repeat myself. I repeat to myself that the signal is there. You need to open trades. So don't try to anticipate. The signal is here. So open trades. Just don't try and don't overthink it. So that's so thinking too much is always your enemy. When you try and instead of opening trades when the signal is there, you just like start thinking, maybe it's the right one, maybe it's not the right one. So yeah, just all these extra thoughts, they make trading so much more difficult. All right, so Euro GBP, a trade for a downwards trade, the downwards direction. We can see that the signal is here, and this trade closes in the money. Beautiful, beautiful. And Euro GBP, here we go, downwards, because the blue line crosses the orange line downwards in the downwards direction from top to bottom. Wow, Litecoin. Okay, I don't know. Ethereum, huh? So yeah, let's just go ahead and open the trade. Wow, it's just pushing up very fast, so it's very volatile. And Euro USD, a trade in the downwards direction. Nice, nice. And I have an additional signal currently from the orange line, so I can open an additional trade now in the downwards direction, and that's what I did. So CAD JPY. Well, the upward signal was there. That's why I didn't hesitate and I opened the trade in the upwards direction, just as it was supposed to. Just as I was supposed to. So GBP AUD. All right. Let's give it a moment. NG, natural gas. Basic altcoin index. Yes. What's happening? Come on. No, don't do it. Please go up. Go up. Okay, a little bit misfortune in the last 20 seconds of this trade, because before that everything was going smooth. All right, how many concurrent trades do I have right now? I have 4 trades. Okay, so this one ends, Ethereum 1 minute to go, Euro USD 1 minute to go on this one, and basic altcoin index. So okay, let's recap. So how many trades so far? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning trades, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losing trades. So now it's 5 to 6. 5, 6. The score is 5 to 6. It's not evening yet, so we still have time. So gold, where it's kind of like a contradictory. This was a good signal. That was a good signal. Ethereum, and one more trade. So now the orange line crosses the 100 line. So that's the moment when you want to open a trade upwards. And 5 seconds to go on the Euro USD trade. 2, 1. Yes, another win. And I think now the score is 7-6. And I have basic altcoin index. And Ethereum pushing upwards. And I think I just missed that trade on GBP AUD. Yeah, I think I should have opened here. So yeah, the moment that I hesitated, I missed a beautiful profitable trade. So that's the rule of trading, guys. If you just skip good trades, then just don't make money on it on them. So oh well, don't like it, but so basic altcoin, yes. I have 40 trades today. Nice. Okay, let's open a trade on gold upwards. Even though I have I still have a few long-term trades on gold in the downwards direction, but they have 3.5 hours in front of them, ahead of them, before the expiration. So even if you open trades for long duration for a few hours, you can still open trades for shorter duration within, like inside those longer lasting trades, and that is absolutely fine. Now the trade now is on the USD JPY chart, and this trade is in the downwards direction because the blue line just crossed the orange line. And USD CAD, yeah, trade downwards because the orange line just crossed the, here on the previous candlestick, it crossed the 100 line from top to bottom. Gbp Usd, okay, so the signal was 2 candlesticks ago, and now it is a little bit too late. And also here, GBP CAD, I think it's a little too late also. Yeah, so you don't really wanna. So these short-term trades with a duration of 3 minutes, you don't really wanna. Because I mean, like, you would want to kind of have perfect timing on these trades, because every pip matters in those trades. Okay, so no more trades on gold. I think the gold, I'm pretty good, so I am pretty relaxed, and I'm pretty sure in terms of my 3.5 hour trades. But I think these short trades on gold, they are just taking money from my account, so I don't want to open more trades on gold. Definitely, no way. So it just doesn't seem a proper instrument or proper asset right now. But anything can change. I mean, like, yeah, you don't want to limit yourself. You don't want to have this kind of limiting beliefs that, okay, this is not my signal. But at the same time, if you have some asset whose movement you understand some maybe driving factors that drive price up or down. Maybe you want to stay on this asset, and everyone has their favorite assets and also least favorite assets. So you need to rely on statistics, not on superstitions, but on statistics. USD JPY. Oh wow, so in 3 minutes the price didn't really go anywhere, so it's kind of stuck here, 1 pip away from my target. And okay, so that's always it's always pity when just happens like this. All right, one more trade. I'll open one more trade. I will not open any more trades on USD JPY because I have one more signal for a down trade. Now let's watch. So USD CAD, yes, that's a wonderful trade. Okay, everything went as the way it should have. So CAD JPY now 35 seconds to go. I don't know. It's quite all right. Now everything's getting fine. Well, I don't know. 20 seconds ahead of us. So how much does Tesla cost today? Wow, it's more than 1,000, right? It's just crazy. So market cap of Tesla exceeded 1 trillion. But this thing, like what basically drove Tesla price up, was not, I think, fundamental factors. Oh wow, it's still closed. Okay, I was a little bit unlucky here on the last few seconds. On the last second, that can happen, unfortunately, but that's trading. So Tesla, what about Tesla? So Tesla, yeah, its market cap exceeded $1 trillion. And once again, Elon Musk became probably. But what really triggered the price go up so high? Well, it basically went up because there were so many short sellers on this level, on the level 900. And when the price broke above this level, above the 900 level, that pretty much opened a big road for the price to go up. There was no resistance anymore. And now $1,000 just passed easily. All right, GBP AUD closing with profits. And USD JPY USD JPY, I think it should close with the money. I don't know. It's like this asset. This is a very, very slow asset, not just moving anywhere. Being stuck in this very narrow range for the last, I don't know how many, 15 minutes. So yeah, you just never know. But it seems like there is more pressure from the seller's side, but you just never know. Oh wow, it's like this. All right, guys, it's just maybe not my kind of asset. So the last, so everything was going fine until the very last minutes, the very last few seconds. I don't know. Just look at this crazy behavior. Well, anyways, in 30 seconds, the U.S. markets will open, and we are going to see some extra volatility. Just wanted to check Elon Musk's net worth. So he's oh wow, it's $229 billion. Wow. So Tesla is a little bit overpriced. I think everyone sort of understands this fact. But of course, there are certain market conditions, market drivers that just push prices up. Okay, so we are open, and we can see that there was a upward spike, then followed by a downwards movement here. And we can see, yes. Well, let's have a look at Tesla. So now all these investors stuck with Tesla's, stuck with short sell positions on Tesla. I don't know. They are biting their, what do you say, elbows. They just don't know what to do because they're bearing losses with every passing second, because everyone was expecting that. Well, Tesla posted their earnings reports, and the earnings reports, it wasn't fantastic, but it was good. It was so Tesla was profitable for another quarter, for Q2, and that was maybe their third profitable quarter in a row. I don't know, something like that. All right, so I think the market. Okay, I think the market is now ready for my trades. So I want to make probably a few more trades with this strategy. Oh, wow, gold is now. I like to see these numbers, even though it is an unrealized P&L, unrealized profit and loss. Still, it's quite a good number to see on your account, more than 1,000. So. All right. Anyways, back to our trading strategy. So Gbp USD, I think this might have a potential signal quite soon. Wow, very strong moves on US market openings. So FTSE, GBP NZD, Amazon, wow, everything going up. Boeing, Nasdaq, oh wow, just looking, I was looking at it 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, and the price was here, and now we are 0.5% up on Nasdaq. All right, let's trade Asia Composite Index in the downwards direction because the signal is there. And apart from it, I don't really see any signals right now. I do not see any signals. Oh wow, why is it 1 minute? All right, so that was a mistake from my end. I didn't notice that the duration turned into 1 minute. That sometimes happens, but well, I wanted to. Or maybe I will have 2 profitable trades. I don't know. Let's hope that the price just doesn't jump up in the remaining 10 seconds. Oh yeah, I can see a question about so one account, Unis Shima, that the account was blocked because it violated one rule. So could you give me more detail on what exactly, like what rule did you break? Like what rule you broke? Because I don't know, if you can tell me, then I might be able to help you. If it is multiple accounts, then you need to block all your duplicate accounts, and then you can resume trading. So just block the duplicates, and then you can open your, or just keep one account, something like this. So you either block all your accounts and then open a completely fresh new account, or you just block all of them except one, and then you will probably need to pass the KYC procedures once again, and then you can just continue trading on that account. So yeah, it's as simple as that. All right, so cut JPY trade upwards. How many more trades do I want to open? Well, I guess that's it, guys. Maybe. I don't know. Just so when you start trading, it's very hard to stop. So you want to keep opening trades, more and more trades, because you just start seeing these setups, and you want to make some more cash potentially. All right, let's have a look at the area chart. Did really go so high on Asia Composite Index? 30 seconds to go, and I have 1, 2, 4, 3. Right, 28 seconds to go. Cool. Brand. All right, so NZDCHF should be a profitable trade. I know 20 seconds to go, and we have a lot of handicap here. So I don't really think that in 20 seconds something bad is going to happen to our trade. Cut JPY, well, I think it's kind of like 50-50. So we still have, we do have pretty good chances of winning here. So 40 seconds to go, 45 to be exact. And USDCHF, well, I think this trade is quite secure. And I'm a little bit more concerned about this one, because this one, yeah, now just 1 pip away, 2 pips away. It's always interesting to watch how, yes, okay, go up, please go up. So CAD, JPY. So how many trades? 40 trades. I think it's, is it calculating accurately? Well, I think yes, it should. 40 trades. Showing 40. It's not updating this counter. And USDCHF, now this trade should close in the money. Nice, beautiful. Well, guys, anyways, I'm pretty happy that I opened these many trades. I think I got back to square one in terms of cash in my account. I'm just maybe $10 short. Still, I had a very intense trading session. I opened, how many trades did I open? Okay, let me reload the platform for you. I don't know why it still shows 40. I think, well, now let's calculate all my trades. Where did I start? I started here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 winning trades. And how many losing trades? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, guys. So it turns out that I have a, let me tell you, 14 divided by 26 equals to, well, so I have 54% of winning trades. That's my ratio, 54% winning trades. And it seems that with a fixed amount of trades, that's a little bit not enough in order to make profit. So probably I should have used the loss compensation system in some of my trades. But anyways, the goal of my webinar was to show you how you can trade, and to show you multiple setups, and how to use this strategy. Well, this strategy is so much better than no strategy at all, because many traders, when they join our platform, they just don't use any kind of analysis whatsoever. They just rely on their intuition. And if you don't know how to analyze the markets, how to do the forecasting, then you just don't have this market intuition, because intuition is based on some knowledge. So get some knowledge, and then with this knowledge you will be able to with the time being you'll be able to rely on your intuition. But in the beginning, I strongly recommend to do analysis and to learn trading strategies. Well, anyways, if you like the webinar, please do not hesitate and put a like for my webinar. And I will see you next week on Thursday. I think someone else will conduct the webinar, and I will see you next week, guys. So prepare your questions, and we will start preparing for the webinar marathon. So wishing you a wonderful day. I wish you a lot of luck in trading, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much. Thomas, signing out.